Oh my gosh, guys, I just found a slime supply vending machine. And I have 1 quarter, so let's make some. So first I'm gonna need some glue. It gave me a whole container of white glue. Now that I poured my glue, I'm gonna get a mystery paint color. Oh my gosh, it's purple just like the machine. Before I activate the slime, I think I'm gonna choose some shaving cream. And finally, let's activate it. Now that my slime's activated, I'm gonna get one more mystery ingredient. Oh my gosh, it's a whole thing of clay. Let's add some of this clay into my slime. And here's the finished product. It came out super nice.